This is a short tutorial on how to reuse assignments in Google Classrooms. A shout out to Kim who contacted me this morning. So Kim, here, this one's for you. In this video, we'll talk about why you might want to reuse assignments and then how do you do them. So let's get started. Why might you want to reuse assignments? All right, here's just my short list. You want to do something similar, but you want to make a few changes. And this is anything in classwork. So it will work on a question, on a quiz, on an assignment. Okay. My favorite is number 2. You are tired of typing the same directions over and over and over and over again. Number 3, you want to make an assignment in one class and then use that same assignment but just with some minor wording changes in another. Or you want to assign something to one class and then to another class at a different time, and you don't want to recreate it. My personal favorite, which is not on here because I don't think it really goes with our times, I would have suggested folks doing teacher classrooms where teachers put assignments in and then you could have recycled them from each other. But we didn't really have the time to plan for that at this point. So let's just stick with these 4 reasons. So how do you reuse an assignment? Easy. Go to classwork, go to create, go down to where it says reuse post. Okay. Once you do that, it will take you to all the classes that you are a teacher in. So either a co-teacher or the teacher. So you select the class that you want. It'll open up that class and then you select the assignment that you want. Down at the bottom, it'll ask if you want to make copies. No, don't make new copies. It's all linked in Google Classroom. Just hit the reuse button. And then the assignment will come up. So I have a classroom where I have all my assignments and I just reuse them as I need them for training. Those of you who have been with me know that. So here you can edit the classwork, the instructions, you can change the title, you can change what class it goes to, everything, the grading, the due date, the attachment, everything. Okay, and then hit assign. So just to step back, create, reuse post, goes to class, click on the assignment and reuse. And we'll do it live in a minute. Just a side note, you can assign one assignment to multiple classes. When you click on the for part of the assignment, you can click multiple classes. So if you're doing the same thing at the same time, you don't have to reuse it each time. Just make it once and assign it to multiple classes. I've gotten this question a couple times today, so I want to mention it. I've gotten some emails, I can't make a copy for each student. What's wrong? You can only make a copy the first time you create an assignment. Think of it as being at the Xerox machine. You're standing there, you make the copy, you walk away and you think, oh, wait, I want to change something. Well, you can't make another copy then. So if you're unable to make a copy for each student, it's probably because you're editing an assignment. You really have to start from scratch. So as we fade into the sunset, not quite yet, so I want to go live. Hope this has been a better day. Again, reach out to me for whatever you need. I still have several unresolved issues and I'll be working on those tonight. So let's go live and let's make a reuse an assignment. So I'm in my Google Classroom. I go to classwork. I go to create, reuse post. It will bring up all the classes where I am the teacher or co-teacher, and there are thousands at this point. I don't know. Let's try this one. It'll bring up the assignments in there. I can click on it. Do not create new copies. Just let it go. Click reuse. It's making the copy of it. And now I can edit the title. I can edit the instructions. Okay, now if I go to add something new now, I don't believe it's going to allow me to make a copy. Let's just find out. Just for fun, we'll click on this one. Now, notice how that's not an option here because we're editing something. You can only make the copy the first time through. Have a good day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Upcoming videos include how to help little kids get on their email addresses. And I think we'll talk about quizzes next.